Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Keshav Khande and today my subject is static keywords in Java. So now we'll discuss about the static keywords in Java. Static keywords is a Java is used to the for common mainly management mainly. Then we can apply the static keywords that variable, method, class, block and nested class. The keywords is used to the class, then we can use in a instance of the class. The static can be variable can we access in the class variable method, then we access in a class method, then block and nested class. Then discuss by one. First of all is a Java static variable. The static variable can be used to the refer to the common properly to use in a object, example of employee and college. Then the static variable is gets in a memory only once in the class time of class loading. Then uses in advantages of static variable. First of all is advantages of it makes your program memory efficient, that is it save the memory. Java static method. If we apply the static method, then uses in a method known as static method. It static method is uses to the belong and to the rather than object of the class. Then uses in a static keywords. The static keywords is the method. Then uses in invoked in with the need and the creating of a class. Then a static method can access static variable member. It can be change the value of it. The static method is the static method cannot be used in a static data member or call non-static method directly. So why is the use in the main method is static? So first of all is it because of the object, then uses in a required in a call of the static method without object creation. Static method is a without object creation call. Then is your Java static block. The first of all is a Java static block. Why Java static block? It used in a initiation is a static keyword, a static data member. It is executed before than more method at the time of class loading. Then uses in a Java nested class static. Why use the Java nested class static? First of all is a static class is used in a class that is created inside on the class is called as a static nested class. Java class nested, it cannot be accessed, not static Java member and method. So it accessed by outer class name. So thank you all of you.